Okay, I've got these studs pretty reasonable. I'm satisfied with them. And once I put the wheel on, the tire, it should draw them up a little bit. If not, I'll just take them up to the recommended torque, and that should be good enough. But I'm satisfied with how I got it. And I did it with this brass hammer. This one came from Cummins, which I got a long time ago, but I think you can find brass hammers just about anywhere. It works really good. Okay, I've got both adjusters. The adjusters are in here. I had to take the repair bearing out of the driver's side on that side. And so I got this one tight and this one over here tight. I've also got this dial indicator on here. If you worked in a machine shop, just call them a dial. But this shows that this ring gear has about 6 thousandths of play, 6 thousandths. Each one of these marks over here is 1,000th. That's very tight. Now I'm going to tighten these caps here and see if that has an effect on it. You want to tighten these slowly. I just moved a whole bunch. I'm going to have to take this off here, tighten the other one. Now you can turn this. Put it on 0. And then try to move this. Okay, it's about 6 thousandths. So now I'm going to try to tighten these a little bit more. Okay, there is a YouTube video that says that this is supposed to be 1.5 inches. Well, that's not quite true. I found several examples of the proper tool that you use to adjust the adjusters in a 9.25 ring gear rear end for a Dodge 1500. The proper tool is 36 millimeter, also 3.6 centimeters, and also 1 inch 417 thousandths. So I got to try to get this to 1 inch 417 thousandths, or 36 millimeter. I'll try to get it to 36 millimeter. But what I want to achieve is I want to have two surfaces that will make the 36 millimeter. I'm making about 4 passes for each of the sides of this hex. Okay, I found a nut that might be able to be used for the adjusters on the 9.25 rear end that I have for a Dodge 1500. 3.7 V6, so possibly you could use this nut and weld something on this end of it, like I did. And then I found another possibility. Here's the other possibility. You can buy one of these. This is on Amazon, and I'll get to the so it shows details of it. Here's the dimensions that I was talking about. 3.6 centimeters, 36 millimeters, and 1 inch 417 thousandths is the dimensions of this nut here. And then this is about 30 inches long. So here is the picture of it and the description. It's supposed to be between 6 and 8 thousandths, the movement on the ring gear. And these are to lock in the adjusters. And the adjusters, again, are on this side and over here. These are 11 millimeter. Now these have to be tightened to 85 foot-pounds. Okay, here's the gasket for this rear end, and there's the numbers. 55073. And here's the description right here. Now this is an 03 Dodge 1500 with a 3.7 liter engine, and according to this is only good until 1995, but it fits. I've got the ring gear cover, differential cover over here, and it lines up, all the bolts line up, and I also made 2 marks here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put silicone under here and then silicone on top of it. Well, this part doesn't need any silicone, but the differential does need silicone because there's some of the silicone still left on the housing. Okay, this is the C-clip holder that I made, and I've got one of the C-clips in the axle where it's supposed to be, but it's not driven home. So I did some more welding and we'll see how it works. I'm going to polish it up a little.